Hello, we learn here resonance effect. There are several effects which affects the chemical properties of organic compounds. Among these different effects, one important effect is a resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Resonance effect means the delocalization of pi electrons or non-bonding electrons through a conjugated system is known as a resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Now there are two major types of resonance effect. One is electron donating resonance effect. We can say plus R effect. The groups which have electron donating capacity means which carries a lone pair of electron or the pair of electron or negative charge, they can donate the lone pair or negative charge, and that should be delocalized in a conjugated system, and these groups can be termed as a groups which shows a electron donating resonance effect. Means simply we can say that the groups which have capacity to donate electron pair means the electron pair should be donated, and then that should be delocalized in a conjugated system can be termed as a electron donating resonance effect. Examples of these substituent groups which shows the plus R effect are hydroxyl, amino groups, alkoxy, thio, etc. Then the second type is electron withdrawing resonance effect. The groups which have an empty orbital, or simply we can say that have capacity to accommodate electron pair. Generally, they show the electron withdrawing resonance effect. Means, in simple word, we can say that the groups which withdraws a electron from conjugated system can be termed as a electron withdrawing resonance effect. The examples are the groups such as carboxylic group, aldehyde, carbonyl, nitrile, nitro, etc. These groups can be termed as a groups which shows the plus minus R effect. Generally, the groups which possesses double bond or triple bond, they shows electron withdrawing resonance effect. That is about a types of resonance or mesomeric effect. Then we see one example. Then rules for writing resonance forms. These rules are each molecule or ion exists in resonance hybrid form. Means molecule does not exist in a resonance form, but it exists in a resonance hybrid form. Then second is resonance hybrid is more stable than any individual resonance form. Then third one is the resonance forms do not have to contribute equally to the resonance hybrid. In general, we can say that the resonance form which is more stable that contributes the maximum to a resonance hybrid. Then the all resonance structures must be bona fide Lewis structures. Then next one is only delocalizable electrons or pi electrons or lone pair of electron that move between a resonance form. Then sigma bonds are never broken or made. Because of this, atom must maintain their same position. Means relative position of atoms remains constant, only the redistribution of pi electron or non-bonding electron should be takes place. Then last one is all resonance contributors must have same molecular formula and net charge. Then we can see one example from each type. One first is resonance or resonating structures of aniline. Now in aniline, primary amino group that has a lone pair of electron means it shows the electron donating resonance effect. Now we can say a delocalization of electrons as the lone pair from nitrogen that should be transferred to, when it is transferred to form a double bond between carbon and nitrogen, then the pi bonding electron should be shifted at ortho position. Means negative charge goes here and nitrogen carries a positive charge. Then this negative charge should be shifted here to form a double bond. Then pi bond should be broken and the negative charge that goes at the para position. In next, when there is a formation of double bond, again negative charge goes at another ortho position, and finally the electron pair that should be donated to nitrogen, and we have a 5 different resonance forms. Okay, and this contributes to a resonance hybrid. This contributes to resonance hybrid. Okay, these are the structures of the resonating structures of aniline. And next example from electron withdrawing resonance effect, that is acetophenone. In acetophenone, this is the carbonyl group which is unsaturated. It shows the electron withdrawing resonance effect. Okay. It withdraws a electron, means here the bonding pair should be shifted on oxygen because the oxygen has tendency to withdraw electron. Then what happens here? The negative charge or the pi electrons are shifted here, and then ortho position that becomes electron deficient while oxygen atom carries a negative charge here. Again in next structure what happens? The pi bonds should be shifted here, and then the negative positive charge goes at para position. In next again this migrates and it goes at another ortho position, and finally the negative charge should be shifted here to form a carbonyl group, and then these pi electrons are shifted here to form another canonical structure, and finally we have this resonance hybrid. And these all 5 structures, they contributes to resonance hybrid. Means here we have learned about the resonance effect or mesomeric effect. In resonance effect, actually what happens, the electron pairs are generally the pi electrons or non-bonding electrons. These are delocalized in a conjugated system. Then that effect can be termed as a resonance or mesomeric effect. There are 2 types of resonance effects. One is electron donating resonance effect, means the groups which possesses extra electron, generally in the form of negative charge or lone pair of electron, they can donate a electron pair or have a tendency to donate electron pair. Therefore, they show the plus R effect, that is electron donating resonance effect. While the second type is the electron withdrawing resonance effect. Generally, the groups which are electron deficient, means which carries a double bond or triple bond, they have the capacity to withdraw electron, and they shows the electron withdrawing resonance effect.